Here I've got iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select wallpaper, and then go to choose any wallpaper. And here you can come along with some dynamic stills or live wallpapers. I will pick some from stills. And let's select the picture that you like most, so in my case it will be, for example, this one. And now click on set. Finally, you have to decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or maybe both of them, so let me pick the third option, both. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, your brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. This is how you can quickly and easily change wallpaper in your device, in your Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.